So, the PM Cares Fund. Much has been talked about it, a little bit has been done about it, but most of it remains in a cloud of secrecy. What is that fund about? Who it is being used for? How much fund has been collected? All the work that has been done using that fund and where that money is going, all that remains a complete secret. You and I cannot know anything about it. And that's what many people have been demanding from the government. Now, people who say there's a lot of transparency already, why is there a need to, make it a public authority and bring it under the Right to Information Act so that people can access information related to it? I will just tell you to just go to the website of PM Cares, pmcares.gov.in, right? .gov.in, and see how much fund has been collected. You'll find that they've mentioned 2019 to 2020, around 3,100 crores have been collected. Now you can say the fund is anyways disclosing how much money it has collected. But let me remind you that the financial year ends on March 31st, 2020, right? March 31st of every year. The fund mentions that from 2019 to 2020, around 3,100 crores have been collected. The fund was set up on March 28th. The financial year ends on March 31st. That means within a period of 3 days, it had collected 3,100 crores. After that, they have not updated the figures. They have not told us how much money the fund has collected till date after March 31st, and therefore that has been the demand. Now, they have released press releases saying that we have allocated these many crores for this purpose and these many thousand crores for this purpose. But is that enough? Because we all know the government allocates money, but how much of that money actually comes down to the people or for the work that it has been allocated for? It's an open secret, everybody knows, and therefore there's a need for transparency. Since the PM Cares Fund is not under the RTI Act and is not a public authority, the CAG cannot audit the fund. And people have been demanding that the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, which audits all government expenditures, should also audit the fund. That will bring in much needed transparency because the CAG reports are tabled in the parliament and therefore people can scrutinize the usage of funds. People also fear that this will lead to crony capitalism. What is crony capitalism? Let me give you an example. Just before elections, political parties go to corporates and businessmen asking for donations for their party. Now, they do get the donations, but corporates won't give them money just like that. They will expect some favor in return if the party comes to power, right? And that has been happening for many years now. Since the PM Cares Fund is not so transparent, there is a fear that it will lead to crony capitalism, and therefore people have been asking a simple question: अगर कुछ छुपाने का नहीं है तो डरना क्यों? If there's nothing to hide, why fear?